In this video, I will guide you how you can use AI to make faceless videos. So for the script, we are going to use ChatGPT. As you can see, give me script on topic top 10 dangerous animals on planet Earth. Now this will going to generate our script, so you just need to wait for a couple of seconds until it generates completely. By the time being, for the voiceover, we are going to use Speechify Studio. You can simply search it on your Google, and then you just need to click on the new button. Then you need to click on the AI voiceover. Once you click there, you just need to then copy the script from your chat GPT, and then you need to paste it right in this box. After that, you just need to select your voice that you want to go with. Make sure to use a voice that is much engaging. After that, you just need to click on the export button and click on the upgrade now if you want to go with the paid plan. Otherwise, once you have exported your particular voiceover, it's time to generate your video. So simply enter the topic that you have given ChatGPT. If I scroll up, as you can see, top 10 dangerous animals on earth. I will simply copy and paste and click on generate a video. Now this will gonna take few minutes or few seconds depending on your internet as well. Then you just need to select your audience, your look and feel, and your platform. So I will go with YouTube Shorts as an example, and I will go with the dramatic for my look and feel. And as for the audience, I will simply go with the educational. Then click on the confirm button. Now this will gonna take few minutes. And there you have it. We have our AI generated short video. If I click on the play button, as you can see, we have our own video that is looking like that. So that's the way of how you can use AI to make faceless videos.